And he's going to kind of look at those poles, so just be aware. Very nice. Do you know what he tried to do there?
Reaching.
Very nice. All right, I'd say that one's down. Okay, down transition is going to be, with him, he wants to halt right away. So it's going to be making him go from the canter clearly down into the trot, and then clearly down into the walk, and then clearly down into the halt.
Okay.
Which is really challenging on him because he's not as sensitive in the big, kind of really pull him to get him to stop.
Okay.
So it's going to be a challenge, but you don't have to do them in order. You can do whichever one you want. It's just explaining it.
I'll do the down transition now.
Okay. The halt's the hardest part, but you did everything else perfectly, so. Okay, very nice. Maybe just practice the halt until he stops on a dime like Fabio does. Very nice. One more and I'll take it down. Perfect. I was just looking for his front feet to stop together. Very good. So the reason I'm having you do all these goals is just so you really get an idea of coming from the old horse, not in age, you know, when we were working with, to the newer horse, and you're able to do them from the beginning, just whenever you ask for it. So it's really showing off all the things that you've learned in the past 6 months and how far you've come.
Let's try a flying lead change.
Okay.
Now, should I try that on the straightaway like last week, or should I try like changing directions?
Well, let's make it easier on you, because he knows when you change directions to change the lead.
Okay.
So, however you'd like to do that, which could be, you know, around one pole, it could be around through the center, could be from whichever lead you prefer to the other lead you prefer. How do you want to do it?
But this is on the straightaway though, right?
Through the middle first.
Through the middle.
You
Okay.
can do it on the straightaway if you want to show off, but let's start with the middle just so he knows what you're asking.
Okay. So I'll pick up the left lead, and then right by this pole,
Mm-hmm.
I'll cut through those two middle
Okay.
black support beams.
Sounds good.
And pick it up going to the right.
All right. Now your shoulders have to be way back for the lead change. That's the only thing I'm going to say, just so he doesn't do that funny skippy thing.
Did you get it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he got it perfectly. It's that weird step that he takes in the middle that feels like he's like stiff or something and he's hobbling.
Is he Does he have a different stride going to the right than he does to the left?
He does. That's because,
It felt
you know,
much
the
shorter.
calcification in his leg. Yeah, he can't move that leg
Okay.
when it's taking all the weight as far.
So I wasn't as
Good
sure.
job. So yeah, making him pick up the right lead is even harder. So I'd call it done. Let's move and try it again.
I'll try it again. Should I try picking it up on the right first?
Sure. I'm gonna try going the other direction. Very nice.
How did that?
It looks perfect. I know it feels funny.
It feels
but
so
it's
funny.
Very perfect. Funnier.